Hello and good morning everybody.
So yesterday I thought, right, I'm going to try and fix the Enfield because it's been playing up, spluttering and so on. You'll hear it here. So anyway, after all that and gaskets and all sorts of things being made and fitted and sealant and I try not to use sealant, I've now decided I'm going to ultrasonically clean it. Watch.
And here it is. It's running. It's all in there. The magic is happening. Just waiting for it to warm up and do its thing. And then when it's all finished, we will rebuild it. Right, so let's have a look now. It's going to be hot. Oop. How about that? Look at that. Beautifully clean. So what we'll do is we'll take all of these out now and we'll put them with the other bits and pieces and then we'll put it together. And fingers crossed all is good. Water's certainly dirty, so there's a lot of stuff in there that's come off of there. Oops. Time to go. Much better. I can't get the other bits out because they're rather fiddly. But you can just about see them in amongst all the muck, so something's happened. Right, so I'll get those out. Right, carb cleaner, all the bits. So I'm going to put this back together. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it single-handed, so I'm going to put it back together and then I'll show you it once it's done. It's probably easiest, otherwise I'll forget something. Right, here we go. Right, so carburetor's now back on. Everything's to be looking good and dry. Petrol tap is on. So we'll see if we can start it now and see what happens. Right, let's try again. Good morning. Beautiful. After much messing and fettling and faffering, the bike is finally running. And the mixture screw's in the right place, everything is in the right place, so I'm very happy. I have my bike back, so there we go. Long may it live. Right, let's get ready to rumble. Yeah, so basically, what was I going to do? I was going to go back this way, I think. Yeah, so when I revved it, the rev started to hang, so they wouldn't go down. And that seems to be alright now. So, as of this moment in time, everything seems to be back normal again. Thank God for that. But it's certainly running a lot better, a lot cleaner. And I don't have to worry about it cutting out. And the pickup is good as well. Just picking a random route to chug down. Yeah, it seems to have worked, but certainly the ultrasonic cleaner was the way to go. Right, all clear. Definitely picked up a lot nicer. A lot cleaner sound as well. I did begin to think that it was like an ignition sort of issue, and this is what I like about these really. I like the fact that you can play with them. I'm 61, but I did my apprenticeship in a garage, so it's not like I don't know what I'm doing. Just as I get older, some jobs I think, oh, do I really want to be doing this? Which is very lazy really, when I've got the know-how, but sometimes I just can't be arsed, and that's just wrong. Got a bit of sun coming out by the look of it. Now if I can keep those mirrors like that, and maybe try and glue them into place, then they'll be okay. Let's go left here. So it does hang a bit there, but to be honest with you, I'm not really bothered about that. It doesn't stall. It's more predictable. With its idle. So I'm going the same road as I went the other day. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to say was thank you to everybody for the views and the comments on the last video. I really appreciate it. So to get views that amount to 1,600, I'm absolutely overwhelmed and very pleased. So thanks to all of you who have watched. That was a bit long-winded, wasn't it? Yeah, thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Why didn't I say that at the beginning? I just wanted something meaningful, do you know what I mean? There's a lot of effort goes into making these videos, as I'm sure everybody knows who does them. But also to sit and watch them is also a bonus for the creator. And I watch a lot of other people's videos. I don't nick ideas. Do you know what? I really like wearing my goggles. It all adds to the the feel and the retro look of riding a Royal Enfield. Are you coming through? Okay. I'll wait till you've gone. That's all right. See, she behaved very well there, idled, didn't splutter when I accelerated. I'll come and get some wood. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I hope this bit didn't bore you too much, but the whole point of this bit was mainly just to give it a run and see how it ran after all the faffery that I've had with it. So I think we've proved our point here, and that's it. So thanks again from EastSussexBiker. My name's Grant, and have a fantastic weekend and the rest of it until we meet again. Like and subscribe, press the bell, and yeah, hasta la vista. Bye.